Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a ChatGPT account without using your number. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to make an account easily and fast. So, let's go to chat.openai.com. And by the way, you can use any browser, but in my case, I'm using Opera GX. You can use either Google, Safari, or any other browser that you may have, but I'm using Opera GX. So all you have to do is just sign up, and it's gonna give you a bunch of options. You can either add your email address or your number, your Google account, and Microsoft account. So this video is about getting ChatGPT without using a number. So basically, all you have to do is just write your email address or your Gmail or Microsoft account to make an account. And it's actually that simple. If you don't have a number, you can use the Gmail that you have, and it'll send the verification code over there, or any other emails like Yahoo or whatever. So all you need is an email to use as verification, and then you're going to want to type it on here, and then your password, your username, and that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do to make an account. It's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.